Hi everyone, it's Alessandro La Croce for CellulareMagazine.it. We are here with the new Acer Liquid Metal. This is a brand new device from the manufacturer. So let's take a look at the box. It's really well designed. You have the phone here, which has a nice rounded shape on the front and on the back. I hope you can see it. And inside the box we find all the manuals, the wall charger with the European adapter. So you basically insert the adapter and use the micro USB cable, which comes inside. So you have your wall charger. Then you find this cover, which helps you to transport the phone without having the fear to scratch it out. On the left side we find the micro SD, it's 2 GB in our version, and the headset with the button to answer the call. So let's take a look at the device. It is an Android 2.2 with a proprietary interface. Some technical specification: you have a 3.61 inch screen with 800 by 480 pixels. On the front you have 4 soft touch keys: home, search, back and menu. Nothing on the left side. On the upper part there is this power button, which also lock and unlock the screen, and the hole for the headset. On the right side you have the volume buttons and the camera button, while on the bottom you have the micro USB slot as long as the microphone. On the back you find a 5 megapixel camera with autofocus and a LED flash, this metallic back cover, and the second microphone, which reduces noises. On the lower part there is the speaker, which comes with the Dolby Mobile sign. That means that the phone can recreate the sound of a Dolby Mobile stereo device. Power it up. We say that it has a proprietary interface, and you can see it from starting from the lock screen. This is a personal lock screen in which you can find all your widgets. They are not interactable right now because you just press the lock screen. So if you want to interact with them, you have to tap on it and then slide. So there is no worry to just press something while it's in your bag or in your pocket. That's good. You can also access to the widget screen by long pressing the home button. Now you are on the edit mode, and you can drag and drop the widget to reposition them, and you can also add the new ones. For example, you have this weather, music, the calendar, and all the widgets you can find on the market. So once you're done, you can just interact with them. For example, we're gonna open the Nemo player and it starts showing us the picture. Let's take a look at the home screen. You have 3 panels. On the left side there is this nice chronology, which is not for the browser but for the application. So it is a nice way to move around all your favorite and most used application. On the right side there is the multimedia, so you can review the picture, the songs, and all the movies you have on the phone. It's pretty comfortable. And on the lower part of both 3 screens You have the 8 most used application. You can customize them, of course, just by dragging the icons. You can change which application you want to show here. So it's a nice way to have all your favorite application always one touch away from you. The other application are on a horizontal scrolling panel. The producer preloaded some. Let's take a look at them. You have a social jogger, which is a social network aggregator. You can move with this round button, or you just slide on the screen. Unfortunately, we don't have set up a Facebook account, so you can see all the picture and links. But if you want to update your status, you just press to this edit box, and you will see the Acer keyboard. It is a full QWERTY, but on the portrait mode you can change the shape and the layout. This is a semi-QWERTY with 2 letters for each key, and this is the alphanumeric keypad with the 12 buttons. There is also HT9 correction for error. It's pretty responsive. There is no lag between the tapping and the keyboard registering your touch. It's pretty nice. I show you the landscape version in another application. Let's take a look at the browser, for example. So by rotating the phone, you can see the full QWERTY in the landscape mode. It's pretty nice. Let's try our blog. Okay, so it will use HSDPA to load the page. This is the notification bar. It's pretty weird for an Android device to have it on the bottom part, and the first day it happens that you are tapping the notification bar instead of the space button on the keyboard. So this is our website. Of course, there is a multi-touch zooming, or you can double tap to zoom in and zoom out. It's pretty fast thanks to its 800 MHz processor, so there is no lag between all the touching inside the page. You can move pretty quickly around the page, zoom in, zoom out. We can go inside an article to see, and while it's loading, I'll show you the notification bar. By pressing on it, you can go in this mode, which shows you all the another set of a shortcut by which you can turn on and off the Wi-Fi, the GPS, Bluetooth, the network, or you can just share your connection. It's pretty nice since you enter the micro USB cable and you attach it on a computer. The interface just asks you if you want to share your network or just mount the SD card on your computer. It's really convenient. In the center there is nothing right now because we have no notification, but usually you see the normal Android notification. Now here is the page. Pretty fast, and they can also use a flash player for Android, so you have a complete web experience on this phone. Let's go ahead. On the multimedia side, we have 2 options. We can go with the stock Android apps. You find the music player. It is the same on every other Android device. The gallery. This is the one from Coolpix. It's really nice, but again, it's the same of every Android device. If you want a more personalized experience, Acer just loaded the Nemo player. which show you all the music, the photo, and the video. For example, now we are on the Pictures tab, so we can browse them by data, by folders, or you can also add the tags in the pictures. Once you're in, you can just browse all the picture as you would expect it. There is still multi-touch, so it's pretty nice for a player, but the best comes with the video. So let's take a look. We just loaded DVX files, and the device just reproduces it fine. There is no problem just playing a standard video, so you don't have to just readapt them on the computer. It's pretty nice, since for the one that loves to watch movies and maybe are on the buses, they don't need the computer to watch them. This is the audio player. Let's see how loud is the speaker. So this is not the loudest speaker we have seen on an Android device, but the sound is very clear, especially on the speaker of the phone. The calls are really clear, and you can hear your speaker very well. So Acer loaded this Acer Sync service and Rod Sync, which is a mail for exchange application. You can sync all your mail and contacts from your work server, and also add documents to go. This is not the complete version, so you can just watch the doc and the Excel, PowerPoint and PDF files. You cannot edit. For that you need to buy the full version of Documents to Go. Still, it's pretty nice to have an application to read those files. Let's take a look at the camera. It is a 5 megapixel camera, but it's not the best we've seen on a phone. So the capture just take a moment, and then you can see the picture we just took. Let's see. Colors are not that great. We've seen better camera on other phones. The video are taken on high definition at 720p. They are smooth, but again, they are not like the best video recording experience we have seen on an Android phone. So the camera, it's not one of the best part of this phone, so it might take a while. Okay, the interface is loaded again. They added a media server, which lets you share your music, your pictures and your files through a Wi-Fi connection. It uses DLNA, since the phone is DLNA enabled. The widget app, it's just a shortcut to the widget screen. On top we have, you can see anything right now, but usually it show you notification. Let's try with an application, maybe it will work. So basically there is some LED icons which show you if you have an unread message or an unread mail. So the Acer Liquid is a great phone. It comes with height feature, but the price is just €399, so it's really nice. Again, the design is well designed. It holds these curved shapes that help you to have the device on your hand. Pretty nice. Everything moves really fast thanks to the processor. The only thing that it's under the expectation is the camera, but still it's good for taking some picture. For now it's everything, so bye bye from Alessandro La Croce and CellulareMagazine.it.